In this class, because past tense is such a huge in Hindi, we will continue learning about the past tense. And specifically, we will focus on the transitive verbs. Okay. Now, the first question is, as initially when you learn about the Hindi verbs, it's all good. But then when you learn about the keyword like, the transitive verb and the intransitive verb, the definition starts sort of like, bothering you, like, what is it? And how do I sort of, when I'm using them, how do I know which ones are transitive and which one are intransitive verb? Okay. So in short, you should think about transitive verbs as verbs that are traveling, where the action is traveling, right? So imagine if I were to throw a ball, right? And you will say, and in the past tense, you will say, I threw a ball, right? You will often think that, the sentence is sort of like slightly incomplete. Like, it's like I threw a ball to, let's say, Sheila ji, right? You will know that there is someone who is receiving the ball, right? There's always a person on the other end receiving this action, right? Versus if something is like I walk, okay, or I walked, you don't really need someone to receive that action, right? So in Hindi, you have to be slightly explicit and you have to demarcate which of the verbs which require someone or someone or somewhat, right? So those verbs in Hindi where you need an object, those are marked as transitive verbs, and where the action is traveling, someone and something, right? Um, Actions like eating, watching, making. When you're making something, it has something basically, right? Similarly, if you're watching a movie or a soap opera or something basically, right? So there you need someone basically as an object. So those are your transitive verbs. So if you were to continue going it, I made a list of some of the more commonly used transitive verb where you need something or someone. Okay. So when you're making something. What is to make in Hindi? Yeah, there you go. To make is banana. And what is to eat? Very good. Khana. What is to drink? Very good. Pina. Yes. And to watch is? Go. Dekhna. Wonderful. To read or to study. If you just say मैं पढ़ती हूँ और मैंने पढ़ा, it's sort of incomplete. It's unless like you mentioned, like what did you read? From you only. To catch or to hold. पकड़ना. To buy. खरीदना. Right? To give, to take,
नहीं.
right? So you have dena and lena, right? So all of these verbs, transitive verbs,